Hello crafties, it's Sandra from Wallifyer.com. In this short tutorial I'm gonna show you one of a million ways how you can customize your graphics, and in this little tutorial I want to add a divider frame to my little promotional graphics for my social feed, and then I just go to import, place linked, and here you see the graphics included in the Maya collection, which is a part of the Eternal Love collection, that is a limited collection for spring 2020. And I want to use this tulip frame, divider frame I call it, and then I highlight it and place. I change the sizing of it by dragging in the corners here. If you have this new upgraded version of Photoshop CC, you will not have to hold any shift keys or anything, so it's great. So place. Sometimes you want to narrow this space here between, or you want to do something else with this frame, and it's really super simple. It's just a few steps. So make sure to highlight both the layers, both the graphics and the font or the text here, and go to layer, merge layers. Now you see that all the layers are in one, there's only one layer here, and this is important here to do this. And then I go to the marquee tool here, or selection tool, and just fetch the upper graphic here, and I go to edit, cut, edit, paste, and now we have released the upper section of this frame. And then I do it again. Make sure you have the lower layer, or this layer selected with the lower graphics on it and the text. Select, edit, cut, edit, paste. Now you have released this one also, and now you can drag and drop this one however you want to place this, and you can even change the sizing of them. One is a little bit smaller and one is larger, or you can do whatever you want. So this is a super easy way to customize your divider frames. As I said, as always, there are millions of ways of doing this in Photoshop, as it is such a large and complicated sometimes program and software. So this is just one way, and I will show you other ways of doing this, but this will be it for today. And if you like this channel and you find it informative and helpful, give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and remember to join my newsletter as well, so you never miss any of the upcoming events and collections and fun stuff, and grab a 20% coupon code for my shop. And if you are interested in clip art and you are a clip art addict like me, please join our Facebook group as well, the Wallifyer Crafty Cafe, where you can share tips and tricks and stuff like that regarding clip art. I hope you enjoyed this, and looking forward to meet you in the next tutorial or video. Bye bye!